Good morning, students. Today in this chapter, laws of motion, we will do numericals. So we will pick up numericals from different parts. We have already done Newton's three laws with gravitation. Let us start. In first numerical, a stone is dropped from rest and falls freely under gravity. Calculate the distance covered by it in the first 2 seconds. So data is given. A stone is dropped from rest. U equal to 0 and falls freely under gravity. G equal to 9.8 meter per second. And time is given T equal to 2 seconds. Calculate the distance covered. We have to cover the distance. So a stone drop freely. U equal to 0. V is there. Height is given. Height we have to find out. G is given 9.8. Since from equation of motion H equal to ut plus half gt square. This part is 0 because u is given 0 plus 1 by 2 into g 9.8 and time is given 2. So to cancel out, h equal to 19.6 meter. In second question, a ball is thrown vertically upwards. It goes to a height 19.6 meter and then comes back to the ground. Find initial velocity, total time taken and final velocity. So there are two cases. In first case, a ball is thrown vertically upward. In the first case, a ball is thrown vertically upward. U equal to 0 and V, it goes to height 19.6 meter, then comes back. Ball comes back with a value U and V and travel the same height 19.6 meter and taking the same time in both the cases. So we have to find the initial velocity. Case 1, V square equal to U square minus 2GH, because ball throws up, so we are taking the negative G. V square, U is given 0. We have to find the initial velocity U and final velocity will be 0. And what is the value of G? J is given 9.8, it is also given 9.8. U square equal to U square equal to 19.6 into 19.6. Therefore, U equal to square root 19.6 into 19.6. U equal to 19.6 meter. Now case 2. The total time taken. V equal to U minus GT. U is given 0. J is given 9.8. We have to find the time. And we already calculated. V0 U 19.6. Therefore time equal to 19.6 divided by 9.8. We are getting 2 seconds. So time will be 2 seconds from bottom to top. Total time equal to 2 plus 2, 4 seconds. Because time taken in both the journey. In third part, the final velocity of the ball when it strikes the ground. Final velocity. We have to find the, in this case, V square equal to K3 U square plus 2 GH. U we have to take 0 plus 2 into 9.8 into 19.6. So V square equal to 19.6 into 19.6. V equal to 19.6 meter. So these are case of the journey from bottom to top and it comes back from top to bottom. Therefore time in both the journey you will have to take the same time. So total time taken 2 seconds up and 2 seconds down. So total time 4 seconds. Thank you students.